This video will demonstrate how to create and link a memo in NVivo. I'm going to attach a new memo to Barbara's interview that will contain my field notes. I right-click on Barbara's interview and select Memo Link. I'm going to select Link to New Memo. However, if I had previously created my notes or imported a Word document as a memo, I would choose Link to an existing memo. I will name this memo Barbara's Notes. I now have a memo into which I can type or paste my notes. When I see Barbara's interview in list view, there is now an icon that indicates Barbara has a memo attached. Memos are stored in the Notes area in the folder named Memos. You can add subfolders for different types of memos. Memos can be linked to files or codes, but cannot be linked to more than one. Memos can also be standalone or not linked. Memos automatically save when you close them in NVivo. When you reopen them, you will need to click on the edit icon at the top of the memo to create new entries. In a memo, the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-Shift-T creates a date and timestamp. This can be useful for research journals.